Well, hello there, this is Howie, and this is going to be my driving rant vlog section. I forget what I called it, but something about ranting and driving. I'm on my way to the office. I have a meeting regarding benefits for the staff. I was just getting some quotes and stuff, so I'm just going in there now. And I was watching the market this morning for about 3 hours, from 9:30 till about noon. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to do a little quick video on my way and rant. More just observe. I've been thinking a lot the last week or so just about the concept of swing trading versus day trading. Very quickly, for those who don't know the difference, day trading is simply buying and selling stocks inside of a single day. So the idea is you're looking for very small upwards and downwards fluctuations in the market, and you're doing a lot of volume. So you might buy 5, 10, 15, 20 stocks each day and sell 5, 10, 15, 20 stocks each day. With each one you're trying to make sort of 1/4%, 1/2%, maybe 1%, something like that, and then getting out of it. And the idea is to be sort of liquid at the end of your day. With a swing trader, it's longer but not long-term trading. So you're looking for somewhere between a few days, say 2, 3, 4 days, and a few weeks, up to maybe a month to 6 weeks, where you're going to hold a stock. So you're not looking for small little movements, but legitimate sort of upswings or downswings if you're shorting, but generally upswings in a stock. And both sort of have their pros and cons. You can certainly be profitable in both. Day trading is certainly the more glamorous, I guess, where you see people, looking second by second at their screens and making quick decisions on buying and selling and taking off half and all these different things. Swing trading is a little more methodical, where you're doing maybe a little bit more research. You're spending several hours looking at in depth at charts and at the companies themselves, perhaps, and definitely looking and choosing your entry points very specifically, and choosing your exit points, and kind of knowing what you're looking for before you go into it a little more, perhaps. Although day trading, you should still have an idea of where you think this stock's going to go. So basically, I've been sort of toying back and forth with this concept. I do like certain things of both of them, and while it's possible to be a swing trader and a day trader, I think it's too easy to have them overlap, because they do have sort of a different mindset. I think you have to have a much tighter stop loss. You have to, when the stock's going against you, you have to get out a lot quicker as a day trader than as a swing trader, because you're going to have more variance as a swing trader, and you can give the stock a little more room to move because your upside is going to be bigger. So originally I thought swing trading I seemed keen on, but I just keep getting pulled back in. I was an online poker player for a bunch of years back in the day, and that sort of action of quick decisions is certainly something that I'm capable of and good at. Back, in the mid 2005, 2006, maybe in 2007, 2008, I was very much into multi-tabling online poker. So I would be playing as many as 24 tables simultaneously, putting in several thousand hands an hour. So it would be like a decision every 2 to 3 seconds. Just tables just go pop up, pop up, pop up, decision, 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 decision. So you're going like fold, 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 raise, fold, fold, just a constant barrage. And while that was tiring, certainly, I did enjoy that sort of action. So, that's where day trading is sort of pulling me in. But I also have to think about doing what's financially best for me. And I think with swing trading, with some of the shares that I've been looking at, they sort of are fairly small volume, which I kind of like, just because I'm trying to sort of avoid maybe the big stocks that have a lot of computer trading. You know, maybe when you get down into those smaller volume stocks, you're going to be more trading against other real people, which is sort of exciting to me. But that's sort of where my head's at, and I tried to make a decision this month that I'm only going to swing trade, and then the first day I did a couple day trades. So I'm certainly not, need to be accountable for that, and I think I'm going to go back for April and sort of return to the swing trade philosophy, do that for a good solid amount of time, and then perhaps do just day trading or primarily day trading for another solid amount of time, so I can really sort of get a feel. I think the final point I'll make, I guess, is my flexibility, my busyness. Swing trading is something that you don't have to pay as much attention to. You can sort of buy something, put a stop loss, put a sell point on it, and sort of check in on it, once a day, but not necessarily right at 9:30 or that sort of thing. So it definitely is better for someone's lifestyle. If you have a very busy lifestyle where you're not always going to be available, I think swing trading might be more up your alley. So anyway, I just thought I would chime my 2 cents in, and like I said, I think I'm going to take April and make it sort of primarily my swing trading month, look at the results, see how I feel about it, because ultimately I have to enjoy it, right? That's important too. If I do swing trading and find it tremendously boring, or just nothing's happening and I'm sort of getting impatient with things, then maybe I want to look at day trading where it's definitely a little more action. But anyway, I'm at the office now, so thanks for watching.